Hey everyone, welcome back to Tenorshare. Apple is scheduled to release the new iPad at the Apple event on May 7, which is earlier than last year. The new iPad Pro is rumored to be powered by an M4 chip and AI technology. I am now definitely having the thought of selling my old iPad and getting a new one if that is true. You may want to do the same, either trade in a new one or give your iPad to a family member or friend. We do want to delete everything first to guarantee our privacy, and no one can access to our data after we hand over the iPad. So I'm going to make the process as simple for you as possible, but make sure to watch the whole video before rushing into factory reset. And the last method can really make sure that everything is deeply cleaned. Let's get started. Now, whether you need the data or not, it is nice to have a data backup in case you do decide to get a new iPad. It might save you some trouble, like downloading apps from your old iPad. So the first thing I suggest we do is to go into iCloud, and then you can see iCloud Backup right here. Go ahead and click Backup now, and just let it go through that process. But if you don't have enough iCloud space and don't want to upgrade, we can go to the Reset page. Go back to General, and then down to Transfer or Reset iPad. We can see Prepare for New iPad. This can back up our data, even if we don't have enough space in our cloud, so we can tap Get Started. You can use as much free iCloud storage as you need to move your data to your new iPad. It will upload all your data to iCloud, and Apple will save your backup for 3 weeks, so go try it. And if you want to save your data on your computer, you can download iTunes on your computer and connect your iPad to it. Just click the small icon here, then you can back up your data in here. Here I used an iPhone cause my iTunes gets stuck all the time, but it's the same. When it's done, you can reset your iPad now. The reset process is simple. You can just go into the Settings app, go into the General setting, and then go down to Transfer or Reset iPad, and choose Erase All Content. Here, I will skip the backup, and you can enter your ID password to turn off Find My, and just going through the process will be okay. But after this reset, it's still a great chance that your data not completely clean and can be recovered. If your iPad suddenly can't process the reset, like it's stuck or flashing out of settings, or your iPad stores a wealth of crucial data, including access to credit card accounts and sensitive personal information, and you want to make sure that your iPad is completely clean and can be recovered by others, you can use a software called Reiboot to reset it with its anti-data recovery mode. Not only can Reiboot address complex I/O system issues, its anti-data recovery mode feature can perform deep data erasure on your iPad, as it is different from standard reset, and it can ensure that your personal information is irretrievable to anyone else, safeguarding your privacy. Here is how to do this. First, you need to sign out of your account to avoid the activation lock. Then, connect your iPad to the computer and launch the Tenorshare Reiboot. Click Trust if prompted. Click on the Anti-Data Recovery mode. Click on Start Repair. Then download the matching firmware to restore your iPad error-free. When it's done, then tap Start Repair. After finished, your iPad will reboot automatically and no single byte of data kept. Remember, if your iPad uses a physical SIM card, remove it before handing over the device. Okay, you can go for your iPad selling event now. If you're watching this after May 7th, please leave a comment, and let's see if Apple's cooked up something wild with the new iPad. If this helps, like and subscribe to get more iOS tutorials from us. Have a great day, and see you next time.